friends, welcome you all in the code world. So in this tutorial we are going to see a Y pattern, how to print a Y pattern. You can see Y pattern on my screen. So this is also as previously I have written down the code and I will explain it. Okay. So in this what we have taken is a row in have taken the 7 row and 7 column. So let's start. So we have taken if condition. What this condition state, what this much, if our I means row and j is our column. So if our row is 0 and column should be 1, so this is our 0th row. So this is our 0th row, first row, second row, third row, fifth, fourth row and fifth row. Okay, and this is our 0th row, not 0 actually. Okay, this is our 0th row where my cursor is blinking, and this first row, second row, third row, fourth row until 6th row. Okay, so what we are doing here for this condition, if our row is 0 means first row, this one. Okay, this one. If our row is 0 then and column is 1, this is our first column, then print asterisk. So this star will be print where my cursor is blinking now. Where my cursor is blinking, this will print this star. Okay, and after this condition state, if a row is 1 and column is 2, then print a star. So this is our right. Okay, this is our first row. Okay, this is our first row and our column, this is our second column where my cursor is blinking. Okay, like this only. If a row is second and column should be 3, so this is our second row and third column. And after that, if row equal to 0 and column equals to 6, so this statement, what means this condition, what it will print, it will print if a row is 0 and column is 6, then print star. So this is our 0th row. So this is our 0th row and our 6th column is this where my cursor is blinking. Okay, and afterward this, what this condition states, this condition state that if our row is 1 and then column is 5, then print star. So it will print this star. Okay, this one. And after that, if our row is 3 and column is 3, then print star. So it is our this one. If row is 3 and column is also 3, then it will print this star. So what this condition state, this condition say that if our row is 3 and column is 3, then print star. So it will print this one. And same as if row is 4 and column is 3, column will be same because we want this straight line pattern, star pattern. So column will be same, but only just row will be changed. So 4th row and 3rd column only, then 5th row and 3rd column only, then 6th row and 3rd column. So see, you can, yeah, same row, same column. And here row is changing but column is same, row is changing but column is same. Okay, perfectly. So, and if this condition is true, then print star in the same line, and if else, if this condition is not true, then print space and in the same line and exit the loop. Okay, so फिर से हम लोग देखते हैं हम लोग ने क्या किया. सो हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, पहले 2 लूप ले रहे हैं. तो एक फर्स्ट लूप है रो के लिए, सेकंड लूप है कॉलम के लिए. तो 7 का रेंज में हम लोग लूप ले रहे हैं. ओके, तो ये आई हमारा रो है और जे हमारा कॉलम है. इस हिसाब से इसको तुम लोग समझो कि एक मैट्रिक्स जैसा है. तो इसमें एक कॉलम जैसे x0 हम लोग खेलते हैं ना, उसी का हिसाब से. तो ये 1 0, ये फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, सेकेंड रो सेकेंड कॉलम, ऐसे हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, वो है. तो ये कंडीशन क्या प्रिंट कर रहा है, अगर हम लोग का रो 0 है और कॉलम 1 है तो हम लोग को स्टार प्रिंट करना है. तो रो हम लोग का 0 मतलब ये वाला, और कॉलम वन है ये, क्योंकि फर्स्ट जीरो कॉलम देखो जहाँ कर्सर ब्लिंक हो रहा है वो हमारा जीरो कॉलम है, तो ये हमारा फर्स्ट कॉलम हुआ। ओके, तो इधर क्या है, इफ रो वन है देन कॉलम टू है, ये वाला स्टार प्रिंट करेगा जहाँ कर्सर ब्लिंक हो रहा है। फिर उसके हिसाब से ये वाला, इफ रो रो इज टू एंड कॉलम इज थ्री, कॉलम हम लोग रो सेकंड होना चाहिए और कॉलम थ्री, ये वाला। इफ रो इक्वल्स जीरो देन कॉलम इक्वल्स टू सिक्स, ये वाला। इफ रो इक्वल्स टू वन कॉलम इक्वल्स टू फाइव, तो ये वाला। इफ रो इक्वल्स टू थ्री एंड कॉलम इक्वल्स टू, if row equals to 3 then column equals to 3, मतलब ये वाला। फिर उसके बाद ऐसा है कि रो इक्वल्स टू 4 कॉलम इक्वल्स टू 3 होना चाहिए, फिर रो इक्वल्स टू 5 कॉलम इक्वल्स टू 3 होना चाहिए, रो इक्वल 6 कॉलम इक्वल 3 होना चाहिए। बिकॉज 3 क्यों हम लोग, क्योंकि हम लोग को स्ट्रेट एक ही रो में चाहिए, एक ही कॉलम में चाहिए, नॉट एक ही कॉलम में चाहिए, अलग अलग रो पे। ओके, सेम वही, अगर ये कंडीशन ट्रू है प्रिंट स्टार, एल्स print space and exit the loop. Okay, let's try running it. So yeah, perfectly we have gotten the Wi-Fi. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also share this video with your friends or with your colleagues. They will also get some knowledge. Okay, and one more information, after this, after today we have printed Y pattern, so our next pattern will be Z, and after Z pattern I am going to start a Python tutorial, which will be very amazing tutorial, and I hope you will enjoy that tutorial, because I will try to explain as simple as what you want. Actually I will explain how Python is, what is Python, why it is used, and why Python is more demand in today's world. Okay, so I think that you will enjoy it. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.